Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix GCash not verifying or KYC failed. So the first step that you have to do is to check your documents. So you just have to make sure that you're using a valid government issued ID. So it can be passport, driver's license, or national ID. Next is to take a clear photo. So you can use good lighting, avoid glare, and ensure all ID details are readable. And also the selfie should be clearly showing your face, so you have to be in a well-lit room. Next is to match your information. So ensure that your registered name, birthday, and address match exactly what's on your ID. And next is to go to the profile, tap on the verify now, and resubmit all the documents with the corrections. Lastly is to contact GCash support. So if it's still failing, you can contact the GCash customer service via the application's help center or even call their hotline for assistance. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!